The Profit Sheet is an empowering tool for manufacturers that allows you to get a bird's eye view of your product's manufacturing costs and profit margins so that you can make wise business decisions, which may include discovering ways to reduce your material costs, investing in equipment that allows for a faster production method, and/or retargeting your customer base. In this Getting Started series, I'm going to familiarize you with the Sheet's interface while I'll show you how to add your products to the worksheet and how to take advantage of the fulfillment features, all in 7 easy steps. If you want to follow along with me during this video tutorial, you'll want to purchase the sheet from our products page at profitapp.com. Throughout this series, I will be demonstrating using the Earnings and Fulfillment Spreadsheet, Food and Beverage Edition. If you're using another Profit Sheet, you will still find what you need in this tutorial. However, some screens will look slightly different in your spreadsheet and some features may not be available. Now, here are a few shortcuts you can use. I will be using these shortcuts throughout the tutorial to navigate through the spreadsheet. Also important to note, you will see these 3 types of cells throughout your spreadsheet, with varying gray blocks, green blocks, and cells with faded text. Please do not edit them as they use fixed formulas. Doing so will cause errors, potentially leaving your information inaccurate. If you need help fixing an issue with your sheet, please contact us. With those housekeeping items out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited to share the steps that you can take now to help you grow your manufacturing business or to test your new product ideas.